Good morning. So sometimes I get in these moods where I'm like, we have too much stuff and I need to purge and clean all the things. So last night at like 11 p.m. that hit and I did like an hour or like an hour and a half of like deep rage cleaning. Not actually rage, I wasn't angry, but so I got the baby set up with some food because he was wanting me to hold him and he was wanting to grab the camera. But I am a major night owl. I love like purging and deep cleaning and doing all the things late at night, which just like isn't super realistic with a baby, especially with a baby who goes to bed at like 10 p.m. I just was like in this mood where I felt like we had too much stuff, and regardless of how much I cleaned up, I just felt like there was always things that were in the wrong place. And I just get really frustrated when my house gets like that. So that's a sign that we have too many things and we need to start purging and donating. So last night I went through all of the baby's clothes. I took out everything that doesn't fit him anymore. So today I need to put that away. I'm gonna grab the bin that I have downstairs that has like his newborn to like probably 3-month stuff. And I'm gonna add this pile of stuff from last night to that. If there's anything that's not worth keeping for a future baby, I'm gonna get rid of that stuff. And then I'm just gonna nicely pack away all of his like newborn to like 6 or 9 month clothes that he's grown out of already. And then I also want to get to my closet. It is just a mess. If you've had a baby and been in like postpartum season, you can probably relate, but like I just have clothes that don't fit me. I have pulled a lot of stuff out as soon as he was born. I pulled a lot of my clothes that were nowhere near fitting me out, but I still feel like my wardrobe is a mix of like pre-pregnancy stuff that I don't love on me right now and some new clothes that I bought to fit my body. And it just needs a really good organize and purge. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna tackle the closets and then we'll see what else we get done today. Okay, so I pulled up, these are just bins of like other baby stuff that we have. This is the stuff that I need to go through and sort. We just had some little friends over. So this is actually a good opportunity to kind of like go through books, organize them, swap them out, bring out some new books, you know. And let's see how much we get done with this guy probably pulling everything apart as I do it. Okay, I have my tiny helper right here. This stuff is all sorted. I'm not gonna pull it all out. It's all sorted. I'm gonna do like, this is just gonna be clothes. This one's gonna be like blankets, baby toys that he's like outgrown, stuff like that. So just clothes, kind of everything else. And then this is stuff I'm gonna keep. There's honestly very little I'm gonna get rid of. I was really picky with baby clothes to start with, so I just have like a small donate pile over here. And then this is mostly like his 3 to 6 month stuff that he's just outgrown. This is all like hand-me-downs from either me or my husband as a baby. So this is our stuff, so obviously I'm not gonna get rid of this. We'll pack this away for another baby. So hopefully it'll all fit in these bins. Okay, so we didn't know if Cohen was a boy or a girl before he was born. These are the only little girly things that I bought. So obviously these have been in storage. I know I could like give them away to someone with a girl, but I'm just gonna hold on to them and hope that one day I have a baby girl to dress in these because it is so cute. I do love dressing a baby boy, but baby girl clothes are so cute. Okay, so I keep extra toys and extra books in his closet in his bedroom. And then I try to like swap things out regularly because even at this age, I find that he gets bored. So just doing a little book swap. Apparently they're exciting again. You want that one? Okay, so his room is organized. I say his room, he never sleeps in here. My husband sleeps in here often. But I do keep all the baby stuff like in this room, even though he doesn't sleep in here. And keeping all of this organized keeps me sane. So I just reorganized the books, went through the toys. And then last night what you didn't see was that I went through all of his clothes. I pulled out anything that doesn't fit him anymore, which honestly isn't a lot. He has way too many clothes right now because all of his like 6 to 9 month winter stuff still fits, but we're in the middle of summer, so he needed summer stuff as well. And since we have like very extreme seasons here, he like cannot get away with just wearing like the same clothes all year long. So I do hang a lot of his stuff, like overalls, anything that's more of like an outfit I hang up. And then here I have his pajamas. In the one below I have like sweaters. And then at the bottom is like bibs and socks that don't get used very often. And then there's hats right here. And then I have these two little basket drawers kind of. Again, this is way more than he needs, but he still has like all of his long sleeves from the winter. And then he of course needed like short sleeve summer shirts, and everything just fits him forever, which is not what I expected to happen. And then these are all pants and his shorts. And then in the top, there's a doll up there that I'm saving to give to him later. But I have like extra cloth diapering stuff in there. Both of these are all bigger sizes for him to grow into. There's actually not as much as it looks. It's just like big things. And then this one's empty, but this is where I put clothes that get too small just before I have a chance to like deal with them. Okay, so this is our closet. We share this space. And I just need to kind of go through this, reorganize it, refold some things. It's just kind of a mess. So I'm going to quickly do that. There might be some things that I'm able to get rid of. We'll see. Okay, I just have a pile here. These are clothes that I like and that like almost fit me, but you know, just don't quite fit with like the breastfeeding boobs. So I'm gonna keep those. These are pajama pants that both need to be fixed because my dog is obsessed with ripping my pants. And then you saw this drawer was just like a big mess. It honestly was just random stuff. I don't really know what happened. So now it's pajamas, bathing suits, and then just an extra random package of diapers that was open and didn't have a home. So we'll just use those up, and I won't replenish diapers in here because we don't really need them. Okay, and then this is so much better. I share this space with my husband. These are his. I'm not going to touch them right now. But I organized my t-shirts and my tank tops, and then these are all my pants. And then a lot of my stuff is also hanging. and everything that's there is stuff that I like and I wear and that fits me well. And it's not Pinterest perfect by any means, but this is much less chaotic, and this is fine for me for now. Okay, here's a side of organizing that you don't see. Did I go out of your sight? We have effectively made a disaster. The entire rest of the house that I didn't show you is now a mess. Partly because of me, partly because the baby pulled everything out. So I'm gonna put him down for a nap now, and I'm gonna try to deal with this as quickly as I can.